Is it possible to turn $500 into $20,000 in one trading month? Well, guys, this is exactly what I've started. I deposited $500 into this account and I've made use of an account deposit bonus. So my first deposit on this account got immediately doubled. So if you want to make use of the same, check the free link down below. Your first deposit will immediately get doubled. My goal with this account is to grow this to $20,000 by the end of February. But I'm going to make this interesting. Whoever guesses the right balance down below or the closest to the right balance will be winning $500 from me at the end of the month. So you can put that into your trading account and have an attempt on this challenge yourself. So comment down below what you think I'm going to be able to get this account to by the end of the month. And I'll be in contact with you by the end of the month. If I get to the 20K or not, I'm going to choose the person closest to the account balance. So if you think I'm not going to do it and can't achieve the 20K, drop in the comments down below what you think I can take this account to. But guys, this was the introduction. Let's dive into day one of the challenge and the trade I'm taking. I'm going to be updating you guys every single day. Let's go. Right, what's happening, guys? It is the next day. So it is the first trading day of February and the first day of the challenge. I've already entered my first few trades on Euro USD. I'm going to break down the trade for you behind me, and I'm going to be looking to grow this account, guys. So whatever you think I'm going to grow this account to in the month of February, comment it down below, and I'm going to be giving one of you $500 from this account so that you can go ahead and do this challenge for yourself in March. I'm documenting the entire journey every single day, every single trade. So follow along. Let's get it. Right, guys, so hopping onto the charts, we can see we haven't had the greatest start of the year in January. We attempted to buy this. We actually rode this position to the upside here, banking us, let's just double check, banking us 68 pips on this move. We then attempted to buy Euro on the breakout there, 45 pips stop loss. And again, the next day, pretty much a 30 pip stop loss there. So wasn't the greatest start for us in January. However, we now have had this full reversal to the downside, and this is following the large sell-off that we've seen in gold and silver. In my opinion, this is going to lead into inflows into the dollar. So the dollar's broken this level that I have been anticipating. We had no pullback, and I do think now into the US session, we're actually going to reclaim these highs. So with that being said, when I look at the euro, this is clearly a massive level. Resistance, broke back above, support, 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 support. We've broken through this now. Ideally, I could have waited for a pullback to retest this level. However, I've gone in for a fairly aggressive entry, looking for a continuation to the downside. And that is why I have already taken 3 positions on this to the downside. And again, to remind you guys, I started this account with $500. I'm taking advantage of an account deposit bonus. So if you want to take advantage of the same, I'll leave the link down below. And I'm looking to grow this account, guys, to $20,000. I've added 3 positions. I am willing to add 1 more if we pop a little bit higher, but I'm looking for this to roll. First downside target is 118. And yeah, next downside target, obviously 117,600. So I'll be keeping you guys updated on how this trade plays out. There we are, guys. Euro absolutely tanking right now, approaching the 1.18 level, and we are floating $320 on this so far. Remember, guys, we started this with just $500. We used the deposit bonus, which is available in the link down below, and we've already crossed $300 profit. I do think once we cross the $500 mark in profit, I am probably going to lock in some partials and let the rest run risk-free. That was a quick little update for me. Let's see how this plays out. This US session trade update. Currently in another position on AUD USD. I'm going to show you the trade on the charts, break down the trade, and run through a Euro USD update as well. I like the trade so far. Going to be aggressive with my profit taking today. I would love to see this profit at $1,000. If you can see the profit at $1,000 today, I'm closing everything regardless of where the trade is on the chart. So let's dive into it. Right, guys, this is AUD USD over there. Looking at this break structure that we've had yet to the downside, we've clearly taken out these lows. We've popped back up into that area of interest over there. So I'm looking for this to roll over to the downside. And with that being said, Euro tanking beautifully to the downside there as well. Just wait for that to load. There it is. what I moved to the downside. And pretty much this trade is literally just looking for a move higher on the dollar. Why is my computer lagging? There we go. Looking for this continuation on the dollar, as I mentioned this morning. So we've had a great follow through on that one. So yeah, just euro and the Aussie for me right now, guys. So looking for this to tank a little bit lower, but let's go. I'll keep you guys updated. And there it is, guys. What a follow through on the euro. Currently 70 pips in profit, and we're flowing $660 profit on these trades right now. We're also short on the Aussie as well. Show you guys the Aussie there quickly. Stuck in a range the entire day on the Aussie. Just zoom in a bit there. Stuck in a range the entire day, but following through nicely to the downside. We have officially taken out these lows. So I'm looking for price to follow through overnight to eventually target the 69,100 area. But I thought I'd show you guys how we got on today. Price obviously running nicely to the downside. I'm going to be locking profits on this soon, so I'll see you guys then. Right, boys, let's close these out together. I've just dropped some updates in the community on the Aussie and on the euro about what I'm doing with these trades, and I have alerted everyone that I am closing out profits. So let's go ahead and close euro, close that one. There we go. And closing the Aussie as well. There we go. $667 on day one of the challenge. Remember, guys, we started this on just $500. I made use of the bonus. So if you want to use that, check the link down below. And today is our first trading day. So we're now sitting at $667 profit. So the balance, the equity is now $1,600. So looking to still grow this to $20,000. So if you guys want to follow along with the journey, make sure to subscribe down below, drop a thumbs up, and also to be eligible to win $500 at the end of this challenge, go ahead and comment down below what you think I'm going to end the balance on, and you guys will be winning $500 to the closest person that guesses it. But guys, I'll see you on the next video.